Hello and welcome to Finlay Motor Group. Today we're showing you around our 181 silver Volvo XC60 TA plug-in hybrid. This particular example is the Inscription Pro model, which is the top of the range model and sits on upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. Your charging flap, which is on the left front quarter panel, with up to 50 kilometers of electric only range in ideal weather conditions. Privacy glass in the back, finished inside in charcoal black perforated leather interior, complements the bright silver metallic paint. It also has automatically adjustable four-corner air suspension as part of the Inscription Pro pack. Plenty of space in the back with ISOFIX child seat mounting points. This car comes with a power-operated tailgate as standard, along with a parcel shelf divider and a 3-pin charging socket. It's also got an electrically foldable tow bar and low road tax of €170 a year as a result of the plug-in hybrid nature of the car. Combined with the 2-litre turbocharged and supercharged petrol engine, this car produces 390 brake horsepower, so lots of performance to go with the efficiency. Automatic, of course, being a plug-in hybrid, automatic electronic handbrake. This also comes with a panoramic glass sunroof, which can be adjusted. This car also comes with rear parking sensors, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, pilot assist adaptive cruise control, folding electric mirrors, electric memory seating on both the driver and passenger side. This car also comes with the 2-year unlimited mileage Volvo Select warranty. For more information on this car, please contact us on 045 431 725.